Okay, so this is the Fasco a163 inducer motor. This is a very popular motor, so I'm just going to show you what the motor comes in. So it comes in a box like this, as you can see, because I do get asked a lot of questions as to what kind of box it comes in. And it's a brand new inducer motor, so I'm going to open it up and show you exactly what's inside of it. So I'm opening up. Yeah. So as you can see, it comes in like that. Now I'm going to open this up. So this is your gasket. It does come with a gasket, and it comes with the Fasco paperwork here. So that's that. I'm going to pull this motor out. So as you can see, this is the condition of it. It comes with your basic connections here. So that's basically what the Fasco motor looks like. And we sell them. If you live in the Ottawa area, you can go to ottawafurnacefilters.ca. If you live in the Toronto area, you can go to torontofurnacefilters.ca, and you can place your order. Okay, thank you.